Hey, so you've made it to the end of SwiftUI Sessions. So this is actually just part one of three. So congratulations. I'm just going to give you a little, that's me giving you a little clap. So the next session of SwiftUI Sessions will actually focus on more intermediate topics to take you from beginner to a more intermediate level. And in this course, we actually covered a lot of important topics that you need to know in order to get started with SwiftUI. And if you stumbled across this video, you can actually check out the entire playlist for SwiftUI Sessions, so you can actually see how to learn SwiftUI online for free on my YouTube channel. Now, if you actually enjoyed the series, there is a way for you to show your support to me for completely free without actually to pay me a dime. So what you can do is simply by just sharing SwiftUI Sessions. You could also like this video and the videos on my channel, as well as commenting on my videos, and also as well subscribing to the channel and hitting the notification bell to get updates so you don't miss any updates if I post something. So these are all free ways that you can just help support me for producing this content if you enjoy it. Now, if you do feel like you do want to donate some kind of monetary value, well, first of all, thank you. Now on the screen, there's actually two options here. You can see here, you can treat me to a coffee. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I probably won't use the money for coffee. I'll probably use the money to buy myself a Big Mac or a chicken sandwich because I love McDonald's. It's the best restaurant ever. Don't at me. So, or YouTube's actually just added this new feature called Super Thanks. So in the toolbar, near where you can subscribe to my channel, you should see this love heart that I've put an arrow there, and you can actually donate an amount and leave a comment, and I'll acknowledge it in the comment section below. So these are just two ways you can actually, support the channel with some monetary value. Again, I just want to say thank you to you all for supporting me, and I actually hope you enjoy this free course. And just to let you know, this isn't going to be the last one, so stay tuned and stick around by either following me on Twitter or subscribing to the channel. So if you enjoyed SwiftUI Sessions, I'd love to hear what you enjoyed the most in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, then I really appreciate it if you'd like this video, as well as subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to get updates for whenever I release a new video. That's everything from me. I'll catch you all in a bit. Deuces.